Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize segment sources for data routing step by step clearly. To authorize segment sources for data routing, start by logging into your segment account. Navigate to your workspace dashboard. Find and select the source you want to authorize. Click on the Settings tab located within the source. Scroll down to the Authentication section. Locate the authorization option relevant to your source type. For many sources, you will see an OAuth or API key option. Choose the appropriate method based on your source requirements. If using OAuth, click on the Authorize button. A new window will open prompting you to log in to your source account. Enter your credentials and follow the prompts to authorize. Once authorized, the window will indicate successful connection. For sources requiring an API key, navigate to your source account settings. Generate a new API key if one does not exist. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Return to the segment settings page. Paste the API key into the designated field. Review all entries for accuracy. Click the Save button to apply your settings. Your source is now authorized and ready for data routing. Test the connection to ensure proper integration. Monitor the data flow in your segment dashboard. Adjust settings as needed based on your data requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.